Hello everybody, Jose Rodriguez here. Yet another question that pops up once in a while. And this one again is one of those kind of common sense questions. I have a cartridge on my Pro-10, my Pro-100, my EPSON, whatever, that is getting low. But I don't have a cartridge to replace it. What should I do? Well, the real answer is you should have had a spare ready and waiting. Now, if you are refilling, that's not a problem. You need to have spares of that particular type of cartridge so that you can have one already ready to be exchanged as a cartridge becomes low or whatever. If you are refilling, that means that you can probably reset those chips. And you can probably do it, very likely do it at will whenever you want to. So there's no problem with that. You can take a cartridge that may be low, replace it with one that you refilled and reset, start all over again at full, take that one that may be, again, low, like I said, not quite empty, reset that one, refill it, put it aside, waiting on the aisles, if you will, for its turn to be put into service. Don't get caught in the situation where you do not have a spare cartridge to install in your printer. You cannot, and I repeat, cannot, on a Pro-100, take out a cartridge and modify it and expect to reset it and fill it and have it put back in a couple of minutes. Unless you're Superman. Okay, you really can't do that. Even I can't do that. So make sure that you always have spares. Keep that in mind. I always had spares for this one in the beginning. Now I'm refilling, so I'm good to go. P800 the same way. Okay, all my printers, I always had to make sure that I had spares waiting, because the worst thing is to have a printer sit idle for how many weeks. Now it takes forever to get stuff through Amazon and the mail and other mail order sources because of the pandemic. So don't get caught in that situation where you cannot print simply because you don't have a spare cartridge to pop in your printer. It's not the printer's fault, is it? It's our fault. All right, so that is it. Just a very quick reminder that you should always plan ahead, well ahead, and have spares so that you don't end up in a situation where you can no longer print because maybe that cartridge was declared empty. That would really be bad. Okay? All right, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Ding, click that bell, and tell it to notify you so that you don't miss out on any videos we upload. Happy printing, everybody. Bye-bye.